to be here today and to perhaps talk a bit about how businesses in the region are successfully adapting to the new normal now, but still continuing to address, I think, some of the greatest challenges that we've ever faced. Naturally, as we all continue to adjust to life with COVID-19, the new normal, I think, is going to remain one of the greatest challenges for us and for our members. We've seen this strong consumer demand for leisure boating over the past 18 months, but we want to capitalise on that, work with our members and ensure that we can continue this interest in boating and UK staycations when things change, and perhaps we don't want that to wane, we want to remain strong in that in the future.
And for many, many businesses, the storm is still in front of us. So I don't want to be a doom-monger about that, but how do we respond when the storm's still in front of us? Well, I talk on that topic of navigate the storm. And what I'm going to share with you today is hopefully a little bit of learning about how to emerge stronger from adversity and change.
So for me, this city is on the cusp of a great opportunity right now. Our city of culture being our free port status, post-pandemic recovery. But more than that, the hearts and minds of every one of you in this room and everyone that we represent across this city and the wider region. And there is so much talent and opportunity and latent energy sat there waiting. So many little gold mines just waiting to be tapped and unlocked. And that's what motivates me about the opportunity. My role, as I see it, is about bringing this city behind the vision of itself, motivating and inspiring people.
I'm hugely proud of my position as a custodian, as a trustee of part of the brand that is Hampshire, that is Southampton. And I'm sure that you are as well. So let's continue to focus on delivering outcomes, not just looking at tasks, but looking at outcomes so that our kids, our grandkids can say, do you know what, Mum and Dad, Grandpa, Granny, they were great people for the city of Southampton, for the county of Hampshire and for the South Coast. So on that note, thank you for coming, really, really appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you all again. Enjoy the boat show and have a very safe journey home and a great weekend.